Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, Monday 26th of April 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day today. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I did today. Just quickly recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. If you would like to know how I trade and help my traders in real time, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD. Let's move into the intraday analysis. As you can see, based on the 4-hour, this was the analysis I did just before market open, just after the market open last night. As you can see, beautiful pullback long trade, very small short long trade. We have another at this analysis at the London morning session. We had another very small long trade as soon as the price hit to the fib channel. We announced to consider tightening a stop loss or moving stop loss at the break even. That's the only two trades we had it on EURUSD, but we had a quite good trades on pound dollar and the dollar CAD. Pound dollar, as you can see, we had a beautiful price broken. As soon as the market opened, I did analysis. The market broke on the previous high. We had a long trade, bank beautiful pips. So we had another small short trade, bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. As you can see here, this was the analysis did after the market open. We had this breakout and explained to my traders that if the price going to break this triangle pattern, technically the price was at this level. And price nicely broken, and explained to my trader this is the target. As soon as the price hit that target, bank some profit. And then afterwards I explained to my traders to look for another pullback, and that analysis done at the London just before London open. You can see here the timing. We have another beautiful pullback long trade. As you can see here, price nicely develop another pullback based on the momentum. As soon as the price hit this level, we announced to bank some profit. As you can see here, price hit again in 4-hour, bank beautiful pips. And then afterwards at the New York session, the price was at this level. When I develop another analysis market and explain to my trader, look for another pullback. As mentioned on the analysis, beautiful another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA, that's why we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, and we bank beautiful pips. We had a beautiful long trade in the morning, and afternoon we had a very counter short trade on pound dollar. All right, so let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD was beautiful. That was the trade of the day. And if you look at the dollar CAD, we had such a beautiful, and I did analysis last night just after the market open, and explained to my trader if the market is going to break this level, then we should be keep taking a pullback short trade. And that's exactly what happened here. And let me share with you all the intraday analysis of the dollar CAD. You can see here, this is the first analysis. Beautiful. As mentioned to my trader, look for this pullback in the analysis because momentum was bearish. You can see here, beautiful pullback short trade. As soon as the price hit to this level, which is the fib channel, bank beautiful pips. And this was the analysis you can see here, and that is the just before London open. Look for another pullback. You can see here we already had this pullback short at the bottom. You can see it. Afterwards, based on the momentum and the trend, price broke on the major structure. Beautiful another pullback short trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, bank another beautiful pips. So you can see here we had a beautiful pips at the market open, at the London open. And we have another beautiful long short trade on at the New York session. You can see here the New York session. As you can see, we have this pullback. We have this pullback at the Asian session, London morning session, and the New York session. Look at the bottom momentum when the price broke on this major support. That's what we explained to trader. Keep taking it. Another scaling trade short, which is you can see here this one. As you can see here, this was again based on the we had this another channel broken, another scaling trade. As soon as the price hit to the major support level, we explained to trader bank some profit. So that was a beautiful trade, especially on dollar CAD. So all these analysis is performed in real time We provide live update, and most of the traders bank beautiful and amazing pips on dollar CAD. We also had a beautiful trades on Aussie dollar and the Kiwi dollar. Let me quickly share with you the Aussie dollar. You can see here, that's what I explained to my trader. If the price gonna break this previous high, then we should be keep taking a pullbacks, and that's what exactly happened. We had a beautiful pullback long trade on Aussie dollar. You can see here, this was the analysis at the market open, breakout long, nice first target hit, and at the London morning look for another pullback, as because you can see based on the 4-hour, beautiful another pullback, bank beautiful pips, target hit. Then at the New York session we announced another pullback, as you can see here, beautiful based on the analysis, price nicely hit and beautiful pullback at this level, and as soon as the price hit to the previous high in 4-hour, and that's what I explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see we had a beautiful trades on Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, amazing trades. Most of the traders bank beautiful pips, and that's what exactly happened every single day. I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis. If you would like to see all that analysis in the real time alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, we provide full Forex coaching and training through this platform. As I said to you guys, that my objective is to train trader with the live market through live intraday analysis to develop their trading skill and find the good traders and invest, give them trading funds so they can make more money. So if you are interested, please find my availability calendar for free one-to-one consultation, and the link is given in the video description. Even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading. You definitely is going to enjoy pipping alongside with my professional traders. So most welcome guys, enjoying my fast growing trader community. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.